Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have cyclic amide, side chain you have ketone and ester which is in the benzyl form. Then you are using acid which is in the acid form. Further you are using rhodium catalyst. You have to guess what will be the final product. Here the answer lies in the basics. In first step, the active methylene group reacts. The methylene group is in between carbonyl and ester, so it's very reactive and acidic. So it reacts with the acid, it forms azo compound. So azo is there, carbonyl is there. The chances of carbene formation. The carbene is a very reactive intermediate. It has to quench by anyhow. So it quench by insertion. So you have new 5-member cyclic product. So finally you have 4 and 5 fused product dictated by the carbene quenching. The concept you have to learn here is carbene formation. Whenever you have electron withdrawing group in presence of azo, you might expect carbene formation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.